I think it was a Dada thunderstorm.
Was it Dada?
Was it a Dada thunderstorm? Or Dada thunderstorm?
Dada thunderstorm.
Yeah, I think it was a Dada thunderstorm. It was very loud and lightning flashing. So I think it was probably a Dada thunderstorm. It was quite a big thunderstorm.
What thunderstorm for?
So a thunderstorm is basically for clearing the air. When the humidity gets too high, then it's an electrical discharge from the sky and it makes the air nice and clear. Makes it so instead of too hot and stuffy, makes it nice and clear and fresh. And then the grass and the flowers and the trees get lots of water, don't they, from the rain? So they all can drink all that water, the trees and the plants and all the greenery. And us too, we get water as well, because rain fills up all of our water supplies. So it's for lots of things. But it's all part of nature. Sometimes you get nice sunshine weather, don't you? Sometimes it's nice sunshine weather. And sometimes it's some rain. And so both times, it's all part of nature. Some days it's sunny, some days it's rain.
It's different thunderstorm.
That's a different thunderstorm.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes there'll be different thunderstorms. Sometimes there'll be little thunderstorms. Sometimes big thunderstorms. The one the other day was big thunderstorm, wasn't it? Because if you had it at Nana's house and I had it here at Delilah's house.
And outside too.
It was outside too.
And they were outside too.
You were outside.
Look, thunderstorm outside.
Thunderstorm outside at Nana's house and thunderstorm outside at Delilah's house. It was outside at both houses, wasn't it? So it's
And Mama houses.
Mama houses. Well, this is Mama houses, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is Mama's and Delilah's and Dada's house.
Oh yeah.
So when I said Delilah's house, I meant Delilah's, Mama's and Dada's house. Because we all live here together, don't we?
What big thunderstorm, Dada? Was it little thunderstorm? Was it big thunderstorm? Was it Mama thunderstorm?
I don't know, what do you think?
Was it little thunderstorm? Was it Mama thunderstorm, Dada?
Well, I think it was probably a Dada thunderstorm. But what do you think it was?
Don't know.
It's difficult to judge, isn't it, until you've experienced a few of them. There might be some more there might be some more thunderstorms soon, and then you can tell whether it was a Delilah thunderstorm, a Dada thunderstorm, or Mama thunderstorm.
I see.
Yeah? That's good, I'm glad you see. It's time to go to sleep now, Delilah. Can't believe you stayed awake the whole journey. Such a long journey from Nana's house.
Thunderstorm, Dada.
What happened to the thunderstorm? Well, after a while it goes away. Once all the rain's fallen out of the cloud, and the cloud's all used up. So it stops raining and there's no more path for electricity to go down, so there's no more lightning and there's no more rain because the cloud's all used up. Then that's the end of the thunderstorm. And then the sun comes out again. It gets nice and sunny again, doesn't it? Or if it's at night, then it's obviously... If it's at night, it doesn't get sunny. Because the sun's already gone down, hasn't it? Like it has now, because it's night time.
What happened to different thunderstorm, Dada?
What happened different thunderstorm? What do you mean? Well, with all thunderstorms, eventually they finish.
Was it Dawa Baba? Was it Dawa?
Dawa Baba or Dawa? I don't know. What do you think?
Was it Dada? Mama?